Hello こんにちは Hey 富士山立川から見えるよ You can see Fuji from 立川 Beautiful I'm refreshing at the park. I think too much. 私考えすぎるタイプだから公園でリフレッシュしてます。Love to go on a good walk, especially little hills and funny steps I find in Tokyo. 散歩大好き、特に古いビル多いところで。This was a shrine kind of near our place with this big stinky ginkgo tree, but it's so pretty. この辺も綺麗。秋な感じ。今年秋遅かったかな Fall, autumn was a bit slow this year. Ooh, now we've got some sculptures in the making. 紙粘土でなんか作ってる And boys, 猫 boys. I made price labels and candle holders out of clay. And then I printed some t-shirts for an event I had. T シャツも印刷して紙粘土とかプリントとかいろいろなものを作ってポップアップイベントをしました。Here's the process of me working on one of the sculptures. This is my Tobita-chan. She's inspired by a sign of caution that's kind of famous in Shiga called Tobita-kun. He is a sculpture warning cars that children might be running out and playing around this area, so drive slowly basically. And they usually say Tobidashi Chui, which means literally watch out for running out or flying out into the street. I've always loved those signs, and because of the theme of this exhibition was caution, watch out for bad girls, or chewy bad girls, I thought it would be cool to make my own caution sign. こちらは飛びたちゃん、飛びたくん、シグ県の飛びたくんインスパイアされました。このシリーズはChewy Bad Girls というシリーズがなんかいろいろな悪いことをしてる girls 怠け者やグラフィティしてるとか注意してみたいなサインを作りたかったから自分の飛びたちゃん作りました。 Nani kore, nani kore, what's this, what's this? I got a parcel of some, what do you think it is? Well, I'll tell you, it's prints. I ordered some gikle, I think that's how you pronounce it, prints. They're really good for photographs, but I find they're really good for illustrations too. So I like to get gikle prints. These are from a company called Photopre in Japan. They've got a big Epson printer that so far has worked really well. I've used them twice now, so I recommend them. I do need to work out their sizes though, because you'll see soon. Some of the sizes were not exactly what I expected. That is my fault. It's not any complaint about them, but I kind of misunderstood what was written on their website. これってギクレというプリント、なんていうか技術かな、特別のエプソンプリンター、なんかいい写真印刷会社かな、フォトプリという会社で自分のイラストレーションをギクレで印刷しました。もの出るけど時間かかるね、遅いブランで、私のせいけどちょっと注文した時サイズ確認したと思ったけどちょっと大きすぎたやつも届いたから、失敗と思った。猫ボーイ、キリボーイ、トークン。じゃじゃーん、やっと出た。Finally, I got the prints out of the packaging. We can start to see. And Toe is still helping me. まだトーくん手伝ってる。トーくん邪魔しないで。かわいいけど。Okay, so we've got my Abnai girl with the Higambana, spider lilies. Kiken graffiti girl, dangerous graffiti girl. And then we've got our kind of Matsuri Obake girls. Got cats, a girl in a yukata, and some lantern yokai. Then we've got a girl in an old house, and it says watch out for bad girls. Bad girls, chewy. Cute. And I think one more, right? One more is Jajan. This is watch out for peeking bad girls. Cute. I got a great custom order from a friend in America. Maybe you've seen my cat bags, but if you haven't, I've been making cat bags out of reclaimed fabric for over 10 years. But my friend, although she likes cats, she has a very cute dog, so she asked if I could make my cat bag, but more in the shape of her dog. So I tried my best. I think that because I had to change the ears a little bit, it did kind of change the placement of the zip in the bag. So I think from like a user experience point of view, it's probably not as easy to use as my other cat bags, but I think for just like a fun, sparkly bag when you're going out, I don't know, wherever she might go, hopefully it's okay. but she seemed really happy with it. But I appreciate the fun challenge. 知ってるかもしれないけど、10年以上古い生地から猫バッグを作ってる。大阪と東京とイギリス販売したことあるけど、こちらは友達から頼んで、猫じゃなくてできれば、近くなんていうか形を近くしてほしいけど、できればもうちょっと私の犬の形でできると聞かれて、いいんじゃない？ちょっと芝みたいな犬、黒いけどなんか黒芝近いみたいな犬で、なんかこういう耳あるからちょっとだけ猫っぽいから、もうちょっと高くした。遊びタイム Playtime with Kitty Boy and another 散歩 at night. 夜散歩大好き。 Who is that? Who is that? 誰？ What's this? Who's there? So many surprises. 猫ボーイ。いつも手伝ってくれてるね、トーくん。He's always helping me, this boy. Oh my gosh. Thanks for watching. 見てくれてありがとうございます。